Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Notorious Tech Club and today we're gonna do the unboxing and full review of the Fitbit Alta. This is a 2017 model which came out in the month of March, and we'll see is it still worth in 2020 as fitness is the main issue due to the ongoing pandemic. But first, if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go and click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. And now it's time for the unboxing of the Fitbit Alta. Comes in this premium package, looks good and feels good too. We get a few features written in the back and a small intro to the amazing Fitbit app. Luckily, if you have a small wrist or large wrist, Fitbit covers it all with different sizes available to choose according to the customers. It comes in small size, medium size and large size too. The box itself is done very well. With the magnetic opening, it gives it a very premium feel. If you have visited to my channel before, you guys already know that I have custom bands for each fitness band. So this is no new. I've got a new band for the Fitbit Alta. Wow. And here's the Smartband itself. It just looks amazing. We'll get to that in a moment later. Check the description for all the links and to watch my other YouTube videos too. And next in the box we get the welcome notes and the setup guide, which is very straightforward. Below that, we get the USB charger, which can be attached to your charging dock. And yes, I will show you guys the setup in a minute. And that's the reset button on the charger, and now that's a very smart feature. Now I'll demonstrate how to charge this. We just have to match the 3 dots on the fitness band to the charger and clip it. And that's it, connected to the charging dock and it's ready to get charged already. And this, my friends, is a Wi-Fi dongle, just in case your lappy or desktop doesn't have Bluetooth or internet or Wi-Fi connection. Fitbit covers this too. This little thing will connect the Fitbit wirelessly. And here's the fitness band itself. It looks very premium and feels very premium. The band quality too is amazing. And there's a very wide range and variety of colors and bands to choose from. I'll put the links in the description below. Don't forget to check them out. Now as you can see, the backside has the charging pins and the Fitbit logo embossed. And no heart rate sensor is present for BPM. But we do have Fitbit Alta HR, which was released in the month of March, which comes with heart rate. It is very easy to switch from bands to bands. Just press that thing. Now the Smartband can display time, steps, calories and active minutes, the battery, etc. Every detail of the fitness band can be customized using the amazing Fitbit app. And this is the Fitbit app and the best fitness application out there. And yes, it is very accurate. Even the Fitbit app itself has many wonderful features, including online matches and games to play with other fitness freaks and trainers out there. And yes, it comes with race to wake up feature too, which is included in the other Apple Watch, etc. Now the cost of this Smartband when it just released was $12,000. In the month of March, when they released the Fitbit Alta HR, which comes with heart rate monitoring, it was $12,500. I will try to put the Best Buy link in the description down below. And yes, this is the most accurate fitness tracker out there. Fitbit is an amazing company, and this Alta HR counts sleep too. It does read smartphone notifications too, but sadly it only reads the notifications for Android. For iOS, it just gives the reminders. So that's it guys, this was the review of the Fitbit Alta. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you're new. Do share this video with your friends who are fitness freaks and help them lose some weight in this pandemic.